So we got these to match this cabinet, the storage cabinet that we love. Let's see. Well, right now they're sideways. So we've had these for a couple months now. They're great storage. I mean, it's held up pretty well. As you can see, the little fraying here. But I mean, hey, this is to store kids' toys after all. There you go. But I mean, it's withstand my 3-year-old pulling them out every day and dumping them out to hold these cars and trucks. Yeah, overall, good buy for price.